Hello and welcome to my channel. In this world of so much information and so much things to share, things are happening all over the world at once. Why I am gonna make a video and put it up there? But the answer is very simple. Because the message I have in the videos, it's the most needed now. It seems to me it's too much talk about nonsense. So the first message, it's about peace. A couple of years ago I just felt like wanted to escape the system. I couldn't find happiness in it, and my life was very colorful. Don't think I have a boring life, but there's something missing. And then now I know what it is. It was the mother nature. I needed to come back to the mother nature. And here I am, back to the nature. Second message I want to send to the world is also simple. Life is too short. You need to have adventures now. Don't expect all the fun is gonna come later. And that's what I'm trying to do. Have adventures. Well, my kind of adventures are based on joy, fun, playfulness. It's nothing what I see being popular right now. It's more like, wow, did you see what happened to that person and that person? So stay tuned and watch my videos and see what I'm trying to put up there. The message is very hidden, but they're nice, they're out there. Peace, playfulness, connected with the nature, connected with the animals. Now we come on this hike. Last night it got really dark, and yeah, it was not really a fun place to be, but I made it home. Like you can see, the sign says right there, be careful, dangerous animals. Did you guys hear that? Dangerous animals. They love it, and I love it. And stay tuned, and I'm gonna try to capture moments and share with you guys. And I know it's already been kind of close to what I can support myself by doing these adventures. Now I'm also doing some dog walking, dog shelter, working on the behavior, psychology, training some of the people who need to know some things about dogs. So yeah, let me show you the sign very close up, and then my adventures will start for the day. In the next video, stay tuned, yeah? Let's leave my animals aside. I only have 3 with me today. Tessa, Neo, and Zeus.